Rabbi Margot wishing you a Hanukkah full of light and love, fun and festivities. Let's do the blessings together. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu lehadlik ner shel Chanukah. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam she'asa nisim lavoteinu mayamim hahem b'zman hazeh.